In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to create a slug. So what is a slug? A slug is simply the last part of a website URL. To explain, let's go to a website called Global News Canada. Okay, then when we click this, we can click this, and we can click on any news here. Okay, there is this Bellicot's case here. So when I click that, this is our URL. Okay, so what this tutorial will be is how to transform the case of a URL, how to remove the hyphens, how to make the slug to be dehyphenated. So there are some steps we have to take. First of all, in making a slug from a URL, we can actually create a title for it, okay, or a name, or we can generate a topic from the slug. This is how we'll do it. So let's say we have this Giselle Pellicot's ex was banned 20 years due to retrial. All the hyphens should be something like this. If we have something like this, let's just say let URL equals something like this, okay. What's our final, or let's just say what our slug will be something like this. Giselle Pellicot ex husband 20 years guilty rape trial. Okay, something like that. But I think we'll have to make it to be in. We'll have to convert it into. We can leave it as uppercase, lowercase. That's not the main point. Okay, it depends on how you want it. So, what do we want to do? What's the first step? Okay, our first step. Let me just highlight what we'll do. Okay, okay, see, it's just not working. Okay, let me just okay, I don't know why that is not okay. All right. So what do we want to do? First, we want to obviously ensure it is a string. Okay, ensure it's a string. Ensure it's a string. So next thing we want to do is to make we can make it lowercase. Although you may make it you may make it it depends on what you want. You may leave it as uppercase, you may make it lowercase, you may capitalize it, depends on what you want. But in our case, we'll make it lowercase. Okay, 3, we want to replace the spaces, any spaces we have, any spaces we want to replace it with a hyphen. Okay, it's then 4, we want to remove all non-word characters. 5, we want to, anyway we have multiple hyphens, replace multiple hyphens with single hyphen. Okay, then 6, we want to trim any hyphen from start of string or from start of text of URL string. Okay, 7, I think 7 will be similar. 7 will be similar, so something like this. 7, trim from end of URL string. Okay, so converting the URL will be to ensuring it is slug would not necessarily have to remove the hyphens. That's my bad. That was a mistake in my explanation. We don't need to remove the hyphens as explained in 3. So there are some. This will just ensure that it's in a slug format. Although there's another way you may want to create topics from a slug, which may involve removing the hyphens and or replacing the hyphens with spaces. But in this case, we just want to ensure that whatever URL that is passed is truly a slug. Okay. So what we'll do now is this. So let's say this is how we're going to do it. Okay. Okay. That said, we can say slug. So this is what we'll do now. We can make this a function. We will later turn it into a function, but so so instead of making this a URL, we can let's say we'll get the topic from the page. So I can just say this is the URL here, and come here and make it. So we can just say title page, not page title, sorry, page title this, then we'll not convert it to slug. So how do we go about it? First of all, we go to the page title. Okay, we go to the page title and try to first make it a string. First things first. The next thing, want to make it lowercase. That's the second thing. Then the third is to replace it. So we have to write a regular expression that will replace spaces with hyphen. So this is how we go about it. I'll go this and press and this, then S, then plus, then G, then replace with spaces with a hyphen. Then we also now number 4, remove all non-word characters. To remove all non-word characters would involve that we have to match, okay, from the beginning, sorry, from the start. We need this, so that's what I'm looking for. Then all non-word characters, that will be W minus, then continuation, yes, then hyphen G replaced with a space, no, replace with nothing, then replace, okay, hold on, let me scroll, then replace, so the next we want to do is to replace multiple hyphens with a single hyphen. So that will be we check for 2 of that or more, and we stop, then G, then we replace that with a hyphen, and there we go. Again, we go to replace, no, where are we now? Yeah, we want to trim from the start of the URL string. This should be fairly easy. So wherever it begins, that's the, what's the name of this, what's the name of that, yeah, that is up arrow, we use that, then minus, that is hyphen, then plus, then close that, then replace with nothing, then we come here, then I can just copy and paste this, only that instead this will be at the end. Okay, that's the $sign. Okay, at the end, then we can now close that with a semicolon. So these are page title, these are slug. So I can now come in and now say console the log slug. Okay, then I can save that. I can come here, I can close this, come to my, hold on, create login URL. I can reload this. Like, having a problem. H1 create slug. Okay, can come here first up. In the, this is the right page. I come here, I can reload this, I can inspect body, gray slug, and let's go. Okay, I think I need to save this console. Okay, let me see. 0 bytes. Okay, I think I'm on the wrong file. Wow. So this, oh man, this is wrong. So anyway, Control A, Control C, then I have to paste it in this file here. Then come here, then I can reload now. Then I can close this. Then to see, okay, I can inspect this, and I can make this. Okay, I can. Let's dock it to the right. Okay, we can dock that to the right and console this. Then we have our slug here. Our slug is, let me increase it here. We have get sleep pellicot x husband get 20 years in. So this is how you can create a slug. It is very important when you are creating websites like news websites, or journals or blogs, stuff like that, and you want to automatically maybe save a slug in the database so that you can retrieve the pages again dynamically. A slug is usually crucial in such instances. So there will be a time you probably need to run a program like this. So as a programmer, you can definitely convert this into a function to make this reusable. Okay, yeah, and that's it. Thank you.